Hello, Niecy's Closet is in the house today, and today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. I hope the single crochet helped you a lot, and if it did, please let me know. But now it's time to double crochet, so let's get going. I'm using a J hook, and I'm also using sweet roll. Okay, it's sweet roll, and it's a number 4. Okay, number 4. So let's get started. We're going to form a loop, the back loop into the front, back loop into the front and over the finger, and you have your loop. I'm going to tighten the loop onto the hook, and we're going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to start the double crochet into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. You see that? 1, 2, 3. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. We're going to wrap, go into the next chain, go into the next chain, pull the yarn out, pull through 2, pull through 2. Do you see that? Wrap, insert the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. The whole time I'm controlling the tension with my fingers, okay? Wrap, insert the hook into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Insert, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. And I'm going to keep going until I get to the end of the first row. You see this? You see what I'm doing? Wrap, insert the hook, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Whoop. Insert, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap, insert the hook into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay. I hope everyone is seeing this. Wrap into the chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap, insert into the last chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'm going to tighten my loop. Okay. Now the next thing you do, you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You turn. Okay, see how it's looking? You're going to wrap, and you're going to put your hook into the very first double crochet at the top. You see this opening here? There's that opening. You're going to insert. You see the 2 strands? You're going to pull the yarn through, and you're going to pull through 2, pull through 2. Oop, pull through 2. You're going to wrap, insert right at the top of the double crochet. See, this is the very top, and you see the 2 strands. You wrap, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay? Wrap into the top of the double crochet, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Alrighty? And I'm controlling the tension at all times so that the double crochets are the same size, because you don't want them bigger and smaller back and forth. You want the same size double crochet, or it's the same size of any stitch. Okay, your wrap, insert at the top, right here at the top of the double crochet, insert, pull the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. The last double crochet, insert the yarn, make sure you see the two strands, pull the yarn through, pull through two, pull through two. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, okay? And we're going to start another row. Wrap the yarn, insert it, top of the double crochet. See this? Insert, top of the double crochet. Wrap, see the hole? It's right there. Insert, you see the two loops. You wrap, pull through two, pull through two. Okay? I hope my beginners see what I'm doing and understand. If you're having difficulty with the way that I'm tutoring on my stitches, any of my stitches, please let me know in the content. Okay? Wrap, insert the hook into the top of the double crochet. Make sure you see the two loops. Pull the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. And we're at the end. Wrap, pull the yarn through, pull through two. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. After learning these 3 steps, you will be able to crochet many projects, and you will learn more if you stick with me. So please like, comment, and subscribe.